Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dilan from Real Start. Okay, today I'm ready to give you lesson number 9, ninth lesson. I'm going to teach you lesson number 9. If there's a newcomer to this video or to my channel, please go to my introduction video and come back to this lesson again. This is a special message. This is a special reminder for newcomers, right? Okay, today I'm not going to describe you anything, right? Okay, I'm not going to explain you anything. Today I'm going to explain something else, very special topic. Today I'm going to give you a very special topic, right? That previous day, the last day, I explained about my remote controller, my fan, my charger, right? But today, very special topic. Okay, what's the topic? What's the name of today's lesson? What's the today's topic? Okay, now I'm going to say you the importance of learning English. The importance of learning English. I use broken English to explain about that topic. I use broken English to explain the importance of learning English. It's a very special topic these days, right? Okay, I use broken English to explain that. I don't use big words. I don't use big grammar rules, right? Okay, I use broken English and simple English to explain the topic. Today's topic. What's the topic today? Okay, the topic is the importance of learning English. Are you ready? I'm ready. If you're interested, continue watching. Okay, tell me topic. Today topic, the importance of learning English. ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගැනීමේ වැදගත්කම තේරුණා නේද? Right, okay. Topic, the importance of learning English. Okay, I'm ready. Now I use broken English and simple English. Okay, sometimes good English. Okay, now I use broken English to explain this topic. What's the topic? The importance of learning English. Now broken English, simple English. Okay, I'm ready. I am going to talk about English, importance of learning English. English, very good, very important language. I like English. You like English. Have English. I have English. If I have English, I can speak with people. Very good, very beautiful language. I like if I have good English knowledge, I can talk Sri Lankans with foreigners. We can talk, but I can't talk. But I like English. I like to study English. I like to learn English. If I want to learn English, I can go to tuition class. I can watch YouTube videos. I can improve my knowledge. You can go to class. You can go to internet, YouTube, learn English language. Good. Do this. English is very important. Why not? You can talk friends. Some friends can talk English, super English. Sometimes no good English. My friends can, but I have a little knowledge English. But anyway. I learn English. If we have English, we can read books, story books. We can read newspapers, and we can watch English films. We can have English. We have good English knowledge. We can watch films. Very good English films. I like English films. I think you like English films. We can understand full film. We have English. No, I don't have English. I can speak broken English. Sometimes I have simple words, no good sentences, no long sentences. No, I can broken English good. I can speak broken English. I think if we want to go to another country, we want English. They that other countries, they don't use Sinhala, Tamil, no use, only English they use. We learn English and go that countries talk people quickly. My problem is words, no big words to talk, but that is a problem, my so I like learn English. I read books every day, newspapers, watching films, English films, and going to tuition classes every day. I do as a habit, I do, but I improve. But now I don't have good knowledge. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months after, I can talk. I like I every day work, I practice English with my friends, talking, call and speak English with my friends. I think English is very valuable. English is very important to my life, to your life. My father can speak English, but I can't. My sister can speak English, but I can't. I don't know why I can't, but I like. I say this. If you have English, good English, you can teach other students, other friends English. You have English, I have good English, I go and teach my friends. This is good help. My favorite language is English, because English is I think beautiful. Sometimes my best language, super number one is Sinhala, my mother language, my mother tongue. But second, English I like very good. So now every day you try speak with friends, read newspaper articles. Very good, you can read articles, and sometimes you can listen to conversations, people talk in English, that I mean foreigners speaking. You can hear songs, English songs, and very good. I think you can use internet to learn English, and you can get new words. I think good English is very good, important to my life, to your life. Very important, learn English, talk English with your friends. I think I can tell lots of things about the importance of learning English. Now you try, you tell your ideas about learning English language. Tell, explain your things. Use as I used broken English. Use, tell importance of English, right? Tell I think very good. English is very good. I like. We all like English. We want to improve English. I think you can learn English. My friends all have good knowledge, good people, good students, good friends, good having good heart, can learn English. You can learn every day. Practice. I practice English. Use broken English like this, broken simple English, and talk English. English. I think learning English good for our future. Then we can teach our children English. No need go tuition classes. Our children, no, we can teach my children English. You can teach children English. Children, you teach. I think English is very valuable and English is very important. Okay, today I explained about the importance of learning English. I used broken English. I didn't use very big words, right? I used only broken English, right? Simple English. Now you try to explain. Now take the topic, okay? The importance of learning English. What's the topic? The importance of learning English. Use your own words and explain to your friend. Or if you don't have a friend, try to record it. Use your mobile phone and record this topic. You talk and record yourself. Record in your phone, right? Okay, you have a recorder, voice recorders in your mobile, right? If you have a smartphone, you have voice recorders. You record yourself and listen to that recording again, right? This is my advice, okay? Record and listen. Try to record this topic, the importance of learning English, and hear it. Listen to that topic again. Try to record it yourself. Try to record it in your mobile phone and listen to your recording again. What's the topic? The importance of learning English. Okay, try to explain like me. Try to act like me. Okay, now I think this is the best time to finish my today's lesson. If you have any questions, doubts, issues, you can call me. Use my mobile number, not 7146434424. Okay, my friends, I would like to say you thank you again and again for watching my videos and lessons. I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Till then, take care.